In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Google Chat if you want to make your messages feel a little more expressive, friendly, or fun. Emojis are a quick and easy way to do that inside Google Chat. Whether you're replying casually to a teammate or just adding a bit of personality to a conversation, the process is very simple once you know where to look. To get started, go to your Google Chat dashboard. This is the main home screen where all of your chats and conversations are organized. Once you're there, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll usually see your conversations listed along the left-hand side, which makes it easy to jump between direct messages and other chat spaces. Next, click on a conversation in the left-hand column under direct messages. Choose the chat where you want to send your emoji. Opening a direct message will bring up the conversation on the main part of the screen. And at the bottom, you'll see the message field where you normally type your text. This is the same area you'll use when adding emojis to your message. Now look at the message field and click on the emoji icon inside the message field. This opens the emoji picker where you can browse through different emoji options and select the one you want to use. Once you click an emoji, it will be added directly into your message box. From there, you can send it on its own or include it alongside text, depending on the tone you want for your message. A helpful tip here is to use emojis in a way that matches the conversation. In casual chats, they can make your messages feel warmer and more engaging. In more professional conversations, it's usually best to keep them simple and use them sparingly so your message still feels clear and appropriate. If you don't see the emoji icon right away, make sure you've clicked into the message field first, since some interface elements are easier to notice when the text box is active. Also remember that the emoji picker is designed to help you quickly scan and choose an icon without interrupting your workflow. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the emoji button is, adding emojis in Google Chat becomes a fast and natural part of messaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you communicate more clearly and expressively in Google Chat.